Turtles breathing through their butts? Yes, it's true. Meet the fascinating world of cloacal respiration, a remarkable survival hack for some aquatic turtles. When hibernating underwater for months, these turtles have evolved this unique adaptation to efficiently extract oxygen directly from the water. Their cloaca, an all-purpose opening, is lined with specialized structures that allow for this incredible feat, essentially turning their rears into makeshift gills. This unusual ability helps them conserve energy and stay submerged longer than you'd imagine possible. It's a testament to nature's creativity and the lengths creatures will go to survive in challenging environments. So next time you see a turtle, remember there's more than meets the eye, or, in this case, the butt.